Good morning, YouTube. Good morning, YouTube. All 58 subscribers, I believe. So, got some big news. Volkswagen's back in action, full 100%. Was having some rough starts and low compression on a couple of cylinders before, and come to find out, upon some research, the heads crack, and it's like pretty common. So a couple weeks ago, I pulled the head off, and me and Treats on the streets, we decided to give her a look-see and see what was going on. And definitely there were cracks on cylinders 2 and 3. So one of my other friends hooked it up with a spare head that had bent valves, so I had another friend swap the guts over for me. I hate building heads. It's like the worst. The valve springs and the little retainers and all that. I just don't like to do it. I can if I have to, but I prefer not to. So put it on last week. We've driven 5 days now, 4 days now. Yeah, it feels real good. I'm gonna give you a little quick look at the cracks here in a sec. I'm gonna edit that in there. All right, so here we are looking at the engine bay. It's still pretty freaking clean. I need to wash it, but got everything back. Everything looks all right. I did have to redo this coil pack harness. It had cracks, like I don't know why, but all the insulation on these cars, wiring systems, it goes bad quickly. So yeah, there's that. Did all new gaskets up here on the head, like everything's done. Valve seats, everything's been done. I'm gonna do a compression test in the next couple days and see where it sits, just for curiosity's sake. But I'm super thankful that I got the integrated engineering manual timing tensioner, because it really helped when setting the timing this last time, because it's kind of a pain sometimes. But yeah, freaking put in some good parts and everything turns out pretty good. The new Mk4 BKR 7Es, the best spark plugs for these motors, copper core. See if we can get an exhaust clip so you can hear. Mini bozo pipe. Yeah, can't wait to shoot fire skyward on that thing. But yeah, so everything's good now. Gavin and I will be doing a follow-up video, and then we'll probably do a little race here shortly. Gonna be a good time. He thinks the Volkswagen's gonna win. I don't really know. I can't hook very good from a dig, so, and our cars feel very, very similar. So I don't really know who's gonna win, but it's gonna be fun. I love to do some hood rat stuff, so yeah. Anyway, like, share, subscribe. I'll be having more content here shortly. Yeah, peace.